to the channel. Today, I accidentally ended it instead of pausing. So I'm gonna just show off my muscle car. This is like my main. So this is a main setup. I'll show you. Wait, hold on. Is that the beast? I keep the wing on this because, like, the only thing that it is not good in is air. That was that it's great on speed, great on control, everything. And it just because it goes so fast, it can barely keep controlling it. Dude, I hate this map. It's so annoying. There's all these things you have to go. You can't speed through it. What's the point doing? I mean, getting on the rooftops is annoying. Yeah, see, it's such okay, hopefully okay, this is not good either. I'm gonna just do adventure. I'll just do cup. Here, this is my other build. This is the kangaroo or whatever it's called. I also the car is fast, so I mean it doesn't matter. But this map is just so annoying. These people are like in the lowest place. I should not be playing fast. Why are they so far behind? Like that other round, you saw me lose. We're going against like people with like similar levels of cars. Not be going against these people. Damn! How is one of them in Legends? This cannot be real. Dude, I've not used this car in forever. I also haven't played the game in forever. But yeah, no one has it. It's holy. I know it's not full against these people. It is. Yo, this cannot be real. Still? Yeah, I'm not moving this guy. I hate it. Bro. Right. You guys got that.
Rec Room, you can customize your avatar to your liking with just a few clicks of a button. So
I'm not using that car. Snowmobile is not any better. Superbike is good, but I don't use it. I mean, that's like the only car I use. All I use is a muscle car. Let me try this out. I haven't used this in a while. Give us some time. No. The bike is alright. I mean, it's going this fast, but the bike doesn't go other cars that go fast. Why am I matched with a bronze? This is not fair. Yo! Hey, third. What? Third? This cannot be real. I'll use this. Stick with it. Thank you. I want to see it. This is fast for my name. About the coin base. Okay, this cannot. I do not remember going. This is actually a really good map. Like that, you don't want to do it, you're gonna jump backwards. And indoors, you don't really want to do it, but like doing it like that after jumps is like here. I don't know what you get from doing that. Here, yeah, the last one was good because it had like a huge air. Well, I don't even know. It was good though. Alright, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.